Did you catch that? The sentiment score for immigration just hit plus 0.24, which is significantly above the historical baseline. This isn't just noise. It indicates a noticeable shift in public sentiment that's worth exploring. With momentum holding steady at 0, this score suggests that while there's a current positive sentiment, it's not gaining traction yet. Our API captures this nuanced landscape and returns comprehensive data, including sentiment scores, trends, and semantic clusters, so you can assess the climate accurately. Imagine building a tool to analyze community responses to immigration policies in real time. You could leverage this data to inform stakeholders or adjust communications strategies before public sentiment shifts further. Dive deeper into the data at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's get building.